In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can transfer USDT from gate.io to Bybit. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to end because it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually do that. So without wasting your time, for you to do that, you have to click on this your asset option over here. It's very simple, honestly, very simple. So when you click on your assets, it's going to bring up a page for you like this. So the next thing is to actually click on this deposit option. Click on deposit option and you are going to choose deposit crypto over here. Click on deposit crypto, then you are going to choose the coin you actually want to deposit. You actually click on here to search for the coin you actually want to deposit, which is USDT. I'm already have it here. I'm going to click on USDT and it's going to load up a page for me to copy my wallet address. So one important thing you have to notice, you have to choose the network you actually want to use. There are different networks you can use. You can use Ton network, you can actually use TRC20, you can use Solana. Those are the popular one that is very cheaper. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be using TRC20. Choose TRC20. As you can see, our wallet address is going to be generated. So as you can see, we have our wallet address already. So I'm going to click on confirm for this notification. Then copy our wallet address. Copy this wallet address. Then come over to gate.io. So this is gate.io. As you can see, my account is fully verified. So if you want to sign up on this platform, I'm going to drop the link to this platform inside the video description for you to sign up. So as you can see, let me go back. Then you are going to click on your asset option over here. Click on asset option. Then you are going to choose the option of withdrawal over here. Then as you can see, we have USDT and we also have SLM, but we actually want to transfer our USDT. Click on this option. Then you are going to choose on-chain withdrawal. Click on on-chain withdrawal. Then so I'm going to paste the wallet address I copied from Bybit, paste it over here. Then the next thing you are supposed to do is to choose the network. We are going to click on this network option, then choose TRC20. So as you can see, we're actually using TRC20. Ensure you choose the right network. If not, your money cannot be deposited successfully to your receiving wallet address. I'm going to choose TRC20, then choose the amount I actually want to transfer. So I'll be transferring like 4 USDT. So as you can see, the minimum amount I can transfer, I think, is 2 on this platform, 2 USDT. So I'll be receiving 3 USDT to my receiving wallet address. I think that one is not a problem. So I'm going to click on withdrawal. Then it's going to load up a page. So as you can see, we have 3 USDT. Then I'm going to confirm if this information is 100% accurate, like correct. So the wallet address end with W, I think, and we are using TRC20 network. So I think the information we enter is 100% correct. Then click on confirm. Then I'm going to send OTP to our email address and phone number. So let me pause this video to actually input all these things. Then I'm going to confirm this particular transaction.
A few moments later.
So guys, welcome back. As you can see, I successfully withdraw this particular $4 to Bybit, and you can see USDT on-chain withdrawal of 4 USDT. So, and I got a mail from Bybit that $3 was successfully deposited to Bybit. So I'm going to go over to my assets option over here to actually show you the transaction details. So this is my asset. Then I'm actually going to click on this funding account, then actually click on this history over here to show you that I successfully received this particular payment. As you can see, deposited USDT. So I actually received 3 USDT from gate.io. I hope you actually love this video. If you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that it will encourage me to produce more videos like this, to be able to show you some simple tutorial about all this exchange. So ensure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.